Hi, my name is Abdulhamid Ramani, an emergency medical technician. In this video, we'll be looking at how to systematically auscultate a patient on the chest for breath sound. So we'll look at how we demonstrate to see how to do that correctly. So we first get the ear nose to your ear. You make sure you check to see whether you can hear a sound. So this is okay. So now, before you begin, you auscultate it. You auscultate apex, you auscultate the other apex. The reason behind that is that you are doing that to compare those particular sides. You don't want to check here all the one side of the lungs before you come and check the other side. You find it difficult to do a comparative analysis. So you first check apex. So you allow your patient to breathe in and breathe out. Then check the other side, apex, breathe in, then breathe out. Then you come down to medium, breathe in and then breathe out. Shift to this side, breathe in and breathe out. Then you come to the mid-axilla, breathe in, breathe out. Then you compare with the other side, breathe in and breathe out. Same can also be done at the posterior. So at the posterior, you auscultate apex, apex, medium, medium, mid-axilla, and then mid-axilla. Thank you very much.